Natural remedies for an inflamed liver. Have you ever heard of natural remedies for an inflamed liver? Read this article to learn more. Our liver can be found in the upper right-hand side of the abdomen. It is a dark red color, similar to that of red wine. This important organ is in charge of regulating the chemical substances in the blood, producing bile, processing the blood that exits from the stomach and intestines, metabolizing medications to avoid the intoxication of the body, producing proteins for blood plasma, purifying the bilirubin, regulating fats. These are only the most important ones. It has been discovered that the liver helps in more than 500 of the body's functions. Inflamed liver? An inflamed liver, or hepatomegaly, is caused when this organ increases to a size that is greater than normal. This can be caused by different things. Hepatitis. It is a viral infection, either type A or B. Alcoholic hepatitis. Drinking alcohol in large quantities damages the liver cells. Ingestion of chemicals or toxins. Bacterial infections. Diets high in fats. Poor diet can influence the growth of the liver. Depending on the cause, one can be administered different treatments and can following certain recommendations. If the liver is inflamed because of viral or bacterial infections, it is necessary to take medications. If it is caused by alcohol, you will need to stop drinking this substance. Natural remedies to treat an inflamed liver. Hepatic tea. This tea is prepared using ingredients that help to fight inflammation and promote the proper function of the liver. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of milk thistle, 10 milliliters, 40 drops of tincture of rye and 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: mix the 3 ingredients and divide into various servings, since you should drink 1/4 of a glass, 4 times a day. Dandelion. This is especially recommended for treating this problem. It's a natural purifier that helps to lower blood cholesterol. It also decreases the levels of fat in the liver. Bolto. Bolto is a medicinal plant that contains alkaloids. Its components help with the functions of the gallbladder and, consequently, help with the purification of the liver. Green tea. The antioxidants in green tea help with the regeneration of the liver cells. Also, it helps to fight the accumulation of fats in this organ thanks to some substances known as epigallocatechin gallate. Tamarind. This is an excellent natural purifier that helps to fight liver inflammation. You can drink it as tea. Papaya. The juice from crushed and strained papaya seeds is a great purifier for the liver. Artichokes. Artichokes increase the secretion of bile and, because of this, contribute to the treatment of an inflamed liver. They also help to eliminate toxins. They can be eaten baked, boiled or juiced. Lemons. Lemons help with digestion and provide antioxidants. We can take advantage of their benefits for an inflamed liver if you consume them daily. Ingredients. One cup of water, 200 milliliters, the juice from 1 lemon. Preparation. Add the lemon juice to a glass of room temperature water and drink it on an empty stomach. Note, you can add drops of lemon to all of the teas for your liver. Lemon is always a beneficial ingredient. Pears. Consumption of this fruit helps contribute to digestion since it contains pectin. It also contributes to the secretion of gastric juices. In addition, pears are delicious and refreshing. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a fruit that contains antioxidants that help with the purification of the liver. They can be consumed directly, in juice, or as a tea, for example. Consuming sage in tea contributes to the elimination of fatty acids. Licorice. Licorice strengthens and protects the liver cells. It also functions as an anti-inflammatory agent. Licorice has antiviral properties and therefore collaborates with the treatment of an inflamed liver caused by viral hepatitis. You can drink it as tea. Ingredients. Two cups of water, 500 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of licorice, 20 grams, 1 handful of star anise, 1 tablespoon of bolto, 10 grams, honey, optional. Preparation. First, boil the half liter of water and add the 2 tablespoons of licorice and the star anise. Then, let it mix for 5 minutes. Cover and let sit for 5 minutes. To give it better tastes, you can sweeten it with honey. You can drink this tea after meals. Ginger tea. Ginger tea cleans your liver of fats and toxins. It's very recommended in the case of fatty livers. You should always remember that natural remedies are an excellent way to help with recuperation when suffering from some illnesses. However, they do not substitute medical treatment.